Hey guys, I'm Luna. Today I wanted to talk about a website that I'm really excited about. I'm excited for the future for this website because it is a 3D printing company and you can actually submit your own designs, and obviously you do have to pay money, but you can choose the materials to make the design and then they will ship it to you within 2 to 3 weeks. So I'm wearing a necklace from this website. I did not design this myself. I saw it on some marketplace and I decided to buy this. You could choose your material when I bought this. The seller had everything from plastic to platinum. I got something in the middle because I didn't want like a plastic YouTube play button, but at the same time I can't afford like a gold or a platinum play button. I haven't earned it yet on this channel in the first place, so it wouldn't make much sense to pay more than, even if I did have the money, to pay like $800 for a gold play button when my channel obviously isn't that big. This is a website called Shapeways, and like I said, it's into 3D printing, so you can submit a design, you can shop in the marketplace. Students actually receive a 15% discount, but it's not for platinum, gold, or anything actually sold in the marketplace, so you have to design something yourself. But if you do that, and if you're a student and you have a student email address, then you can actually get 15% off. This video is not actually sponsored by them. I'm just a nerd about designing things and 3D printing, so I was very excited. Also, when I get the money, I want to design my own jewelry, and I don't know if I'm going to open a shop or not. Obviously, I don't have 3D printing capabilities myself, so I'm probably not going to be able to open a shop. That would be so cool though, like better than merch. I'm actually going to pan up close to the necklace so that you can see it for all its glory. This is actually not even silver because silver was $20 more expensive than the option that I got, so this material actually doesn't last as long as silver. It is plated. I cannot pronounce what it is plated with, unfortunately, but I think it's some sort of brass, like silvery brass. So you can get a ton of different options for any budget. So the cool thing is, if you want a particular design, but if you have a lower budget for jewelry, for anything really, then you don't have to get like metal jewelry, you can get plastic jewelry. How I found out about Shapeways was actually from YouTube. An industrial designer actually ordered some headphones, or some prototypes for headphones, off of Shapeways, and I will link that video down below if you guys are interested in that. I don't know if I have any industrial designers watching my channel, but hey, if you're out there. It is one-sided, so on the one side it has the play button, and then on the other side it's just flat. And then it also came in just a regular basic jewelry bag, nothing special. I did want to talk about the processing time for my order. I had to be super patient with this because I'm used to Amazon Prime. I'm used to 2 to 3 day shipping. I'm pretty spoiled, I guess, when it comes to that, because I guess if you don't live in America, not everywhere is guaranteed to have that really fast shipping. This took 2 to 3 weeks to process, which means I ordered it, and it took about 2.5 weeks for me for it to like print, for it to make the order, because they print per order. They don't make a huge lot or a huge inventory, they just do them per order, if that makes sense. And then it took about an extra week to ship. It took me a month to get this. I had to be, like I said, super patient, and it was worth it for me. Getting a unique piece of jewelry, I'm always into handmade stuff or one-of-a-kind stuff, and I feel like not a lot of people know about Shapeways yet. And getting things individually printed instead of just a huge inventory of things seems really cool to me, so not a lot of people have this. I feel like in the future, if Shapeways does get popular, I would still be really interested in designing my own one-of-a-kind jewelry. That sounds really awesome to me. I am going to link Shapeways down below. I'm going to link that other guy's channel down below, the industrial designer. I hope that you enjoyed this video. It probably wasn't as long as it could have been. I could have gone into detail about Shapeways, but honestly, I've only ever bought this one thing from them, so I don't know a ton about them. I've just like scrolled through their website. Again, this was just me wanting to talk about this out of excitement for this company, and I get no rewards from making this video. I just want to make that crystal clear. Anyway, like and subscribe, and if you want to see more jewelry reviews, definitely tell me, because jewelry is honestly my favorite part about an outfit. It really puts an outfit together, I feel like, and I'm just obsessed with jewelry in general.